Welcome back to Factful Finance. Imagine this. You've just lost your job, and the stress of paying bills is weighing on you. You've heard about unemployment insurance, UI, but you're not sure how to actually apply for it. Well, you're not alone. Many people find themselves in this exact situation. Today, we'll walk you through exactly how to apply for UI so you can take that first step toward financial stability during a tough time. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. The information shared here is general in nature and not meant to replace professional advice. Always consult a financial expert or legal advisor for personal guidance. Now, let's dive in. Unemployment insurance can provide temporary financial relief if you've lost your job through no fault of your own. But how do you apply for it? The process may seem daunting at first, but I'm here to break it down step by step. Step 1. Verify eligibility. The first thing you need to check is whether you qualify for UI. While the specifics can vary by state, generally, you must meet the following criteria. You've worked a certain number of hours or earned a specific income in the past year. You lost your job due to no fault of your own, like being laid off. You're actively seeking new employment. Let's consider the example of Liam, who worked as a marketing assistant. After his company downsized, he was laid off. He had worked consistently for over a year and earned enough to meet the minimum income threshold. Liam verified these criteria on his state's UI website. Step 2. Gather documentation. Before you even start the application, make sure you have all the documents you need. Your social security number or other taxpayer identification. Proof of employment, like recent pay stubs or W-2 forms. Details about your job separation, such as the layoff notice or termination letter. Now let's look at Evelyn, who worked in retail. When she applied, she had all her pay stubs and her separation letter from the employer in hand. Having all these documents ready made her application process smoother and faster. Step 3. Apply online or over the phone. Once you've verified your eligibility and gathered your documentation, the next step is to apply. Most states allow you to apply for UI benefits online through their unemployment office website. Some states still require phone applications, so be sure to check your state's requirements. Benjamin applied for UI benefits in his state through an online portal. It was a straightforward process. He answered a series of questions regarding his work history, reason for unemployment, and his current job search status. Some states might also require you to create an account or log into a secure portal. Step 4. Follow-up and weekly claims. After submitting your initial claim, you may need to wait a few weeks for your application to be processed. During this time, keep an eye on your mailbox or email for updates. If your claim is approved, you'll start receiving weekly benefit payments. Now, this is important. Even after your claim is approved, you'll need to submit weekly or bi-weekly claims. These are reports you file to confirm you're still unemployed and actively searching for work. Noah, for example, had to submit a weekly claim to continue receiving his UI benefits. Step 5. Manage your benefits. Once you're receiving UI payments, it's essential to manage them carefully. These benefits aren't forever, so it's crucial to budget wisely. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to track your spending and make sure you're living within your means while you look for your next job. Sophia, who was laid off from her accounting job, used her UI benefits wisely. She budgeted for essentials like rent and groceries, while also keeping a close eye on her job search. Her financial discipline helped her transition smoothly into a new role within a few months. Final thoughts. Applying for unemployment insurance doesn't have to be intimidating, but it's important to take the process seriously and follow each step carefully. By understanding the eligibility requirements, gathering the necessary documents, and following up with weekly claims, you'll be in a great position to receive the support you need during a challenging time. Quick recap. Verify your eligibility. Gather your documentation. Apply online or by phone. Follow up with weekly claims. Budget your UI benefits wisely. Before we wrap up, let me ask you, what's the first step you'll take toward applying for UI? Share it in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching Factful Finance. If you like what we do, why not hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tips that can help you take control of your finances. We think you'll find the next video shown on screen valuable for your financial journey. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.